You guys are now on slide 4. This one has a lot of steps on it, so sorry about that. You are going to go to Google and find more information about your person. You're going to copy and paste. I said a few sentences. I probably need to change that to just a couple sentences from the Google into your text box. So I really don't care what the information is, to be honest with you. I just care that you know how to format it and do what you need to do for the slide. So I am on a Walt Disney page, information about him. I am just going to select, if it will allow me, maybe like the first sentence here. Okay, and then I'm going to copy it. So I'm going to hit Control-C. Then I'm going to go back to my presentation, my PowerPoint presentation. I'm going to paste it in that box by hitting Control-V. More than likely, when you paste it, it is not going to look how you want it to look. So this is where I want you to format it. So make sure that you format it. I'm just going to select the text box, or you can click and drag and select it all. I'm going to make the text smaller so that at least it all fits on the slide. And now if you have anything that's like underlined or bolded or a different color, make sure you select it and make sure that it's all the same color. Nothing's underlined or bolded or misspelled. You just have to go up here and after you select it and fix those things. I think the other thing I wanted you to do there, it said, okay, so number 3 said format all the text so that it's all the same color, same font, same size, blah, blah, blah. Oh, and it says, and that it is top left aligned. Okay, so you can see that mine is not top left aligned in my text box. It is centered, I can tell, and it actually looks like it's centered at the bottom of the text box. So I'm going to select my text box. And I'm on the home tab, so I'm going to go ahead and hit left align. And then here, align text, I'm going to put it at the top of the box. So I want you guys to do that as well. So now, notice now within my text box, it is top left aligned. Okay. Step 4, resize the content placeholder and drag it to the left of the slide. It should take up about half of the slide horizontally. Okay, so I want you to basically click and drag this so that it's at about half of the slide. And then I'm just going to put it right here for now. There we go. And then step 5 says copy and paste an image of your person onto the slide. Resize and drag it to the right of the text box placeholder. Okay, so I'm going to go back to Walt Disney. See if I can okay. I've got him still in my search bar, so I'm just going to select images. I'm just going to copy and paste an image. So I like this one. Right click, I'm going to hit, I'm on top of that. I need to move that. Okay, right click, hit copy image. Go, make sure you deselect the text box, okay? And then you should be able to just hit Control-V. Now, if your image does not appear, see how this appeared up here? You should be able to click that CTRL drop-down arrow. And then I believe when you select this third clipboard option with the image there, it should pop up. And then I want you to drag it to the side, to the right side, and go ahead and resize it so it's up a majority of your right side of your slide. Added a step here. I want you to go ahead and align both the text box and the image vertically on the slide. Okay, so vertically means it's top, middle, bottom. So select your text box, go to your Format tab, and we're going to align middle. So that will put that in the middle. And then I also want you to align your image to the middle as well. That way, again, it's just more, it's aesthetically pleasing when things are lined up properly. Okay. Next, we are going to crop the image to an oval shape. Ooh, this is a throwback too. We learned how to do this in Word. So with our image selected, and you are in the Format tab of your picture tools, you're going to come over here to crop. You're going to hit crop to shape. It's not letting me do it. Crop and crop to shape. It's not letting it pop up, but once you do that and you hit crop to shape, you should see the oval option. Go ahead and select that. I'm going to pause it real quick. Once you cropped it to the oval shape, it should resemble mine, Mr. Walt Disney there. And then last for this slide says add one of the preset oval options from the picture styles drop down menu. Okay, so we're going to spice it up a little bit. Again, with it selected, see your picture styles. These are your preset kind of frames here. And we want to choose one of the oval ones, just like I said, to spice it up a little bit. It looks like you've only got that option, you've got that option, or you've got that option for if we want to keep it in the oval shape. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and that is it for this slide.